Hi, welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to make a spirograph, and for that I'm just going to grab the ellipse tool. I have already a gradient, so I just grab the gradient tool, double click to open the options. It's just white and pink. Okay, I'm just choose from here just a typical white and black, and you can just put double click and change the color there. After, make sure that the gradient is only in the stroke. Okay, going to proceed to make some ellipse in this way. After, I'm going to align to our board, and I'm going to put the horizontal and vertical there. I'm going to grab it. Probably I'm just going to leave the stroke in one point. Then I'm going to grab the rotate tool, and then you can move manually. You can move to have the spirograph in this way. If you move manually, for example, to here, I'm continue moving and holding with the mouse, and I'm going to press Alt so I can make a copy. Then you can make another copy. You don't have to go back to this step, so just don't press anything. You can go to Object, Transform again, and you can have the shortcut here, Command D, to continue making more copies. But in this case, I'm going to do it here once. After that, I'm going to leave press in my keyboard, Command D. Just leave it pressed, and you can see how it makes the spirograph. But probably, because I move manually, it's not matching with the first figure that I put. So if you want to avoid that, then you have to move it with rounded numbers. So for that, just going to do it again. I'm just going to make another ellipse, maybe. And then I'm going to align again to the center of my artboard with these options. After, I'm going to press R, or here my rotation options, rotate tool. Press double click here in this option of rotate. And then here you are going to put rounded numbers. In this case, probably I wanted something more detailed, so it will move more closer. So I'm just going to put just 2 degrees. Probably before I moved 9 and something, it was there. Then you have to press copy, and then after you can press Command D, so you can make many copies in this way. And because you put rounded numbers, now it must adapt it to the original one. Yeah, it's doing it. So in that way, you can have a perfect spirograph, and you can practice with different gradients as well. I can just delete it again. You can also do it with the pen tool to have irregular shapes here. I'm just going to make something, just some curves here. And also you can move it as well with the rotate tool. And because it's an irregular shape, as you can see here, of course it's not going to match, or it depends, maybe with many rotations can be. So I will just move manually to make the spirograph. So I will just move. I'm moving with the rotate tool, as you can see. You can press Alt. You can press Command D to continue making many copies, and you can have different results. And maybe these results are going to look like with more volume or different illusions, as you can see. If we take a look closer, it will look different. It looks nice. And that's how you do it. So just remember, you can move the rotation. Just going to make it faster here. You can move and you can make the copy as long as you are pressing the rotate tool. Because if you move in this way, and if you press Alt, I don't make any copy. So I have to press here rotation tool, and I have to move, and I can press Alt, and I can make the copy. So it's the way. So that's all for now. So I hope that you will like the tutorial. Like and subscribe to my channel. Enter to my channel because I have different tutorials that you may like for isometric illustration. I have for animation as well in After Effects. I also upload my own animations that you may like. So that's all. See you next time. Thank you.